All right, so you're trying to find the missing number to go into that box. So -6, if you're at -6 on your number line, you're going, how much do I have to add to get to -1? So you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces up. So that missing number is a 5. The next one, you're starting at -2. And I need to get up to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 jumps to get to the 7. And finally, the last one. Oh, I'm missing the first number. I know I need to end at 2 and I'm adding 7. So I could be sneaky and go backwards 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which means that I started at -5. And you can check that by going forwards again if you like. Okay, so we just did adding. So these were all adding a number on. So the next thing is obviously that we're going to be subtracting. If you're using your number line, any time that you are adding, so here's my number line. Oh, very messy number line. Let me do a better job than that. So when we have our 0 and we have our numbers on here, whenever you are adding, we go to the right. So now we're going to be subtracting, which means we're going to be moving to the left on that number line. So that is this first little dot point. If a number is subtracted from another number, you move to the left on the number line. So first of all, we're going to use this one that is here to help us represent this first little sum. We are starting at a +4, which is way up here, and subtracting 10 means 10 jumps to the left, which I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I land at the -6. So it does work. So again, here is yet another number line for us to use to answer all of these questions. Just like before, girls? Just like before, the first number is where we start, and we're subtracting, which means jump to the left. So starting at 5 up here, I want to go 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finishes at -2. Next one, starting at 3 here. And I might want to subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I end up at -5. Question 3, starting at -1, and I want to subtract 5 more, so still to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm at -6. Question 4, start at the -1, and I want to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3 is -4. Question 5, start at -2 and -2 more. So 1, 2 down makes -4. If you're done, does not mean you can talk. Be polite and respectful, please. I'm starting at -1 for question 6, and I want to go back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is at -7. Okay, there's just a couple more on the next page. Question 7, start at your -3, and I want to go back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is -10. Now, those of you using the shortcut, is this the same rule? No. So if you are using a shortcut, you cannot just subtract these numbers like you were doing before, because both of them are negative. If you're using the shortcut for this, if they're both negative, you actually add the numbers together. So 3 plus 7 is 10, and it's a -10. So if I was doing the shortcut for this next one, because they're both negative, 5 plus 1 is 6, and it will be a -6. If I do some more shortcut ones for 9, I'm at -6, and I want to 6 plus 5 is 11, and it will be -11. And finally, the last one, except for my pen won't let me write it. Yes, that worked. And the last one, 7 and 5 make 12, so it'll be a negative 12. So it is faster, but you don't want to confuse the two different things. So that means your next thing